name is Fathia Mbarak Khamis. I'm a postdoc under the Fruit Fly project, and also I work on entomopathogens. For the integrated pest management of fruit flies, in this package we have what we call the biopesticides. Actually, it's a means of biocontrol using pesticides derived from natural compounds, for instance from plants, animals and bacteria. Specifically, microbial pesticides are derived from fungi, from bacteria, from protozoans, and also from viruses. For the fruit fly control, ICIPE, in collaboration with Real IPM, has developed a biopesticide which has been proven effective for thrips and also mealybugs. But and it is branded campaign. For this biopesticide, it is also effective against the fruit flies. Actually, for the application of the biopesticide, what we do, we target the two stages of the fruit flies. We target the adult stage and also the maggot to pupa stage. So for the first one, for the maggot to pupa stage, this is a resting stage. The pupa stage is a resting stage in the soil. So as per the instruction from the manufacturers, the biopesticide are put on the canopy of the soil, the drip line of the canopy of the mango tree for the control of the pupa stage. And for the adult stage, we have what is called auto-dissemination. Here we use two techniques. First, attracting the adults. So these adults are attracted to a focal point, and then they carry the spores of the dry fungi. So for this part, we actually do the targeting in two ways. First, the adults, as they peak, they develop what is called mycosis, and they die in the process. And also they spread the fungi to others. So let's say when an adult fly picks the fungi, they can spread it through mating, or the way they come into physical contact. And also there's a process called necking, where fruit fly males congregate together to attract the females. So as they come together, they spread the fungi and they die in the process. For the outer dissemination technique, where we use the attractant and the fungi, what we do, we either use a food bait or we use a male lure. So for the male lure, what we do is we have the male lure put in a cotton wick, and then we just hang it on this wire, and then in a homemade trap where we have velvet put on the trap. So in this velvet we smear the fungi. So once we put it on top of the tree, the attractant or the male lure will attract all the male. As they come in through these holes, they pick the fungi, so they spread it out. So that is one way. Another way is putting a sponge with a food bait and also hang it. So for the food bait, it will attract mostly the females, and also the male will come in. So after attracting the females, they will also come, get the fungi from the velvet, and they die in the process. They develop the disease of mycosis. And if you may ask about the fungi, if it can harm other organisms, the fungi normally is safe. It's an entomopathogen, so it will affect only the target insect, and it never affects the natural enemies or the useful, friendly insects, and also not the human like other pesticides. So it's perfectly safe. When you're applying it, it will not affect the human. And also once it is applied in the soil, it can stay for 3 months. So in a mango season, we encourage the farmers to apply it twice. And also for the traps, it can stay for 3 weeks. So it's quite economical. So this is how the granules of the fungi look like. And also we have, after harvesting, we do the production in the labs. And when we harvest the spores, this is what we get as the fungi.